Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TES. In this video, I will introduce you to a video editing tool DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see in this era, there are many types of video creators and newborn YouTubers. YouTubers and newborn video creators need a good editing tool such as DaVinci. It has lot of functions which you can apply on your initial video to get your final video on a internet platform. Okay, so now I will explain you why you should use DaVinci Resolve. I personally use DaVinci Resolve. I use for editing so many videos. I use it for introducing music. I use it for reducing noise. There should be no noise. There should be noise cancellation, which you want in your video. So it is a video and audio editing tool, and it is very simple to learn for these new YouTubers, because a new YouTuber, a new video creator cannot afford to buy a costly version of a video editing tool. So DaVinci Resolve is freely available on internet. You may download it and install it on your desktop for learning, and it is very simple to use and simple to learn. And I will create several videos on its features as well. So let us talk about some features. So my idea will be to make you learn about DaVinci, the process of importing video and audio in it, and then exporting it. And you may want to join two or several videos because you may record at different locations, and then you may want to join those videos. And I will make videos on noise reduction. I will make a video which will show you how you can reverse flow of a video, because you may sometimes you may want video to look like going in reverse direction. And there are many more things on which I will make a video which will make you learn about how to use DaVinci. You may get a free version of DaVinci Resolve from internet. It is freely available for you, and you may install and execute it to begin with. And I recommend you must keep a watch on my YouTube channel, The Education Simplifier, if you want to learn DaVinci to edit your video. So guys, I hope the information given in this video of some help for you. You may like, share on my video, and you want to subscribe my channel if you want to see more such videos coming up. And guys, thanks for being patient throughout the session.